I wonder if the time of day affects how much we throw the ball for Willow. When creating data tables, you need to make sure you include the following characteristics. They need to be neat and organized so you can collect data neatly and accurately. They have to have a title, just like the example given here, number of throws during the day, that matches the experiment I mentioned before. Each column has to have a label with units, if necessary. They need to be designed to record data quickly, so you can easily record data, especially if an experiment is going super fast. And they should include qualitative and quantitative. This data table has numbers, so that would be quantitative, and does not have a section for qualitative or observations, but for every experiment you should include a section for observations. You use line graphs when both the independent and dependent variables are numbered. For example, I have different times on the x-axis for my independent, and then the amount of pets given to the dog would be my dependent variable, which is going to be on the y-axis. So basically, line graphs show what happens to one variable as the others changes. So in this case, as one variable changes, which is the time of day, we're looking at what happens to the number of pets given to the dog. Bar graphs are used when you want to compare qualitative and quantitative data. For example, my qualitative data would be the flavor of dog treat, and my quantitative data is the number of bags. Bar graphs are really good when you're trying to show a comparison between different things. On the x-axis goes the qualitative data, so in this case the flavor of dog treats, which we have chicken, beef, bacon, and cheese. And then on the y-axis is the quantitative data, which is the number of dog treat bags. I wonder what kind of graph would represent the activities Willow does in a day the best. Pie graphs. We use pie graphs to show a quick view of a relationship among parts of a whole. They usually add up to 100, like 100%, or a specified value. So in this case, it's per day. So my specified value would be 24 hours in a day. So the example is how my dog spends her day. So 24 hours, and then it's broken down to how many hours she does each activity. The end.